Yeah, dude, you're so bad, dude. Oh, that's a big call.
Hello, everybody. I am coming from you live from Hong Kong. I have been here for almost 14 of years. I'm with Brian Baham. It's a Brian Baham, everybody. Ah, he's been on Adderall for too long. Hello. That's a Brian Baham. Yeah. Oh my God. Hey everybody. I work for IBM. I work on a dual 15 megabyte Pentium 2 processor. Been with the company since I graduated from Yale in 2006. I work long nights, so it gets rough. But you know, I love what I do. I love what I do. I really do. I love it. I love it.